Yes, we're back to square one, or nearly. I wasn't too happy with the way the frame was put together. I had some play I couldn't get rid of, so I stripped everything back to nearly nothing, just the cross section you can see here. Loosened the bolts, retightened them, re-loosened, retested everything, and now I don't have any play like I used to. While I did that, I thought I could give it another try to the carriage. Remember the back plate, I had put it on the top because the tolerances weren't good enough and the wheels were too spread apart, so it didn't properly work. I've just swapped it, put it upside down, and now the tolerance is okay, so I guess that's gonna mean the carriage assembly and the belts are going to be easier to fasten.